You know where you're at?
Hallettsville, Texas, huh?
Yeah, that's exactly where you're
Yeah, you
at.
know it. That's better than downstairs. They didn't know where they were.
You like it here in Hallettsville?
Houston?
Yeah, that's where I'm from.
Yep, South Houston for me. All right. You like talking to us?
You like it when I'm here?
No. Don't say that about my mom.
I'll fuck you up.
Do what? What am I gonna do?
That's my boy. What do you think he's gonna do?
We're gonna stop fucking talking to you. We'll talk to somebody else. Is what we'll do.
You like talking to us?
No, we're just messing with you.
Yeah, if we don't mean you no harm, just when I talk to you, see if we can do anything.
You got a girlfriend? You were talking pretty clear to us earlier, but we're having trouble understanding you. Can you speak a little clearer? Yeah, the sheriff.
Who's the sheriff when you were here?
Who was? Oh. There's two of them. He said something.
There's an old courthouse over there across the street.
You went last week. How'd it go? You get it reset? You got in a fight at the courthouse? That's never good. You in a fight with the deputies?
You getting a bar fight? Is that how you ended up here?
You thought. You fought? What were you fighting over?
Go on, let's hear about it.
You gotta talk slow. We can't understand you if you talk too fast.